Okay, it's 7:50 p.m. Thanksgiving Eve, and the hardware store closes in 1 hour, and I gotta pick up a window. It's raining really hard, it's late in the evening. I gotta go down to the hardware store and get a window because on the holiday tomorrow, they're gonna be closed. Okay, this is crazy. Tonight, it's rainy, dark, super miserable weather out right now. I'm just about out of gas too, but I'm gonna go for a run for the hardware store. They're closed tomorrow, a holiday, but I'm gonna have family and friends over. And if the weather gets good, we're supposed to install this window. Small town hardware stores close over the weekend. And so I needed to get this window to get it installed. Need to try to get, oh my God. That's the one. That's the one. At night, in a small town, and the hardware stores are closed tomorrow and they're closed early tonight. So I gotta get down there and pick up this window. Get that by myself, gotta get some help. I need to get that window tonight because I got friends and family coming over tomorrow. So I'm gonna go down and get that. I'm really low on fuel also. Okay, they helped me load the window. I'll go get some keys and get out of here. Man, what a... ran behind, missed the ferry coming over. I'm running behind, that's why I'm late. Okay, I got duplicate keys for my truck because I'm down to one set, and the door key worked, but not the ignition key. So she's gonna go try and rerun them. I'm gonna get out on the freeway here and see what I can do. It's a really bad rainy night out tonight, and I can barely see, but we're gonna make it work. I hope I don't run out of gas. I'm gonna get gas right after I get the window. I'm gonna get the gas right after the window. Let's go get a window. Okay, so we got new truck keys. Thank you much. Yeah.
The window and the keys, okay?
33. There's just a yes. Okay.
I need a code 50 to Lombard code 50. And if you want to pull your vehicle right up, I'll have them help you get that in.
Okay. I was able to get a window in 1 hour. Put it in tomorrow if life prevails. Okay, gotta go home. Call it a night. It's late. Whoa, got family and friends coming over. I gotta get in and get warm, take a shower. Man, this is bad. It's cold out tonight, it's rainy. Woo! That's late out tonight, but I got the window, got some fuel, I got some miscellaneous hardware. I'm ready to go home now. All right, time to go. Hour and a half later, I got the window. All right, let's finish this day. You're supposed to be carrying them standing up. I know, I'm in a professional before in this business, and you carry them vertical. They said down there, 2 or 3 of them, they said if that carrying it that way will be okay. I know, I feel guilty myself. I feel guilty about carrying windows on partially on the side. It's not professional business. Okay, so I got it. I got the window. I'm doing a series on non-impulse buying, but only purchase when you need something. And I need a window. They're going to be closed tomorrow. I really need this window.